When I first started riding, I was really taken aback by the wind. And I'm talking like my first 50 or 100 kilometers on the bike. And I was pretty, like, demoralized by how badly I was dealing with it. I just thought, like, either I'm just shit, or there's something wrong with the bike, or there's something wrong with my gear, or whatever. And I said to the guy at the bike shop when I was in there buying something, I was like, I've watched all these videos while I was learning, or, doing my first tests, and no one ever mentioned anything about the wind. And he was like, yeah, it gets windy. And so I was like, okay, I'm not going to push that one. And I said to my dad, who rode bikes for a long time, I'm just finding when I get out there and I, get over 70, it's just really windy. And he was like, yeah, it gets windy. So I was like, okay, well, I guess I'm just going to put up with it. I bought this little screen here, this little windscreen, and there seemed to be a fair bit of conjecture about whether it would actually make a difference. I think when it comes down to it, it's what my dad and the guy at the bike shop said, which is that it gets windy. And you get used to it. I mean, really the only thing that sort of made a big difference for me was starting to just relax my body a bit more, relax my arms, so that I wasn't, choking the life out of the handlebars. Especially in the wind, if you're, really tense, then when you cop a big gust of wind, it's going to move the bike around a lot more. So I think having just loosening up a little bit made a big difference. If you think about it, you are the most unaerodynamic thing on the bike, especially if you're me, because I'm kind of a large guy. So, in short, it gets windy.